Is Hungarian a difficult language? A lot of people say it, but in this video I will break down how to learn the beautiful language of Hungarian. 5 years ago I moved to Hungary, and my biggest obstacle was not the people, it was not the culture, it was actually the language. A lot of people say Hungarian is one of the most difficult languages in the world because it's unlike anything else. And after spending some time here, I still find many difficulties learning the beautiful language. And that's why I teamed up with italki to show you how you can learn Hungarian the best way.
All right, hi Frederik. Today we are going to learn some Hungarian grammar, and we will start with the vowel harmony. Now, if you meet somebody and you wanted to say nice to meet you, you would say örülök, hogy megismerhetlek. I know it's a little bit long, okay? We can break it down word by word. Örülök.
Örülök.
Örülök. Yes, that means I'm glad. Hogy.
Hogy.
That. Megismerhetlek. Now this is a little bit long. This means that I got to know you, right? I'm glad that I had the opportunity. So let's try it together.
Szóval örülök, hogy megismerhetlek. Jó.
Good job.
Szólító.
And I must say, italki for me has helped me become much better at Hungarian and other languages. It's so different when you actually sit face to face with another teacher. So sign up completely for free and book your first class through the link in the description or this QR code. And if you use my code, you get a €5 discount on your first class of at least €10. By signing up through my link, you're also supporting my channel, making it possible for us to travel everywhere and cover every piece of Hungary. And I have to be honest with you guys, I only recommend language learning tools that I like myself, I have tried and I use. And for me, italki have been very good. Check out italki, the link and code are right down in the description. Right now we are in the Serbian-Hungarian city of Becce, or in Hungarian, Becce, where it's really handy to speak two languages. Here you can speak a bit English, but they prefer Serbian or either Hungarian. So it's a perfect place for me to try my Hungarian now. When I first moved to Hungary, I started looking at all the words on the signs, in the news, everywhere. And I was trying to, pronounce it. But Hungarian is very simple if you think about it. Every word written is exactly how it should be pronounced. And that's why my old good friend, when I just moved, told me, learn the alphabet, learn the sounds of the alphabet, like j, s, sh. And then all of a sudden it opened up the entire vocabulary for me, because I could say words like gyógyszertár, or I could say words like Hajra Fradi. Very impressive. I would also recommend going out of Budapest, out of the capital city, where people actually mostly just speak Hungarian, because I know many people who lived in Budapest for 5-8 years who barely know how to say a word in Hungarian, because in Budapest there's a lot of internationals and there's not really a need for learning Hungarian. It's the same in my country, in Copenhagen. So I would recommend going to the countryside, or even going to Erdély, which is the Hungarian part in Romania, or Vajdaság here in Serbia, where Hungarians live. Because here you will meet people who will only speak to you in Hungarian, and it will motivate you to learn Hungarian. So, yeah. Oh, nice. When learning a new language, like Hungarian or Serbian or any other language, you should also look for motivation. For me, my motivation with Hungarian was to be able to read literature, to make business in Hungary, to work with Hungarians where they didn't have to speak English, because my girlfriend, other people I meet here in Hungary, they can express themselves better if they use their mother tongue. And I would feel like I was missing out on something when they had to speak English. And when you start to commit to living in Hungary, you probably want to get the full experience. And you get that by Hungarian. Also, we are lucky with Hungary. Everywhere in the film and theaters, it's synchronized in Hungarian. So if you put on Star Wars, it's going to be Darth Vader speaking, "Én vagyok az apukát, Luke Skywalker." And that's very funny. And it will make it much easier for you to learn Hungarian. Another good way to learn Hungarian is exactly what I did, not to brag too much, but I started making songs in Hungarian. I was looking at this textbook and I saw some really nice love words. I'm a musician, that's my main job, and I was listening to these words like szeretem and kíváncsi and énekelek, which is to sing, and I was thinking, they rhyme, how nicely they sound together. And then I started writing a song. The plan was not for that to go viral, but it got me a place in X Factor in Hungary, and it got me a place on many, many festivals. That was one way. Later on I started to make videos in Hungarian where I would sit down, say what I wanted to say in English, I would sit and translate it, and I would sit and learn these words. So by making videos, making 100 videos, I learned maybe 5,000 words. Of course, it's good to have a teacher who can tell you the grammar. The words are not enough, but I will say using the language, even before you feel that you know it, is the best thing you can do ever. When learning Hungarian, I did some very interesting things. I had a little apartment in Szeged, which is down south, where I would put a little post-it mark on everything in my apartment. So I had my big wardrobe, I had a ruhaszekrény, I had my kitchen table, it was konyhaasztal. I had my chair, it was a szék, and I put it on everything. And I would then walk around every day saying, konyhaasztal, szék, szekrény. And that's how I would learn most of the, let's say most of the objects, most of the words. Later on, when I had a vocabulary of maybe, let's say 200 words I could remember. And bear in mind, Hungarian is so different from English, from any other language actually. So you have to learn these words and you have to connect it to something. But later on I would then meet a teacher who would tell me a little bit about how the grammar works in Hungarian, because it's much different. And I had this teacher for around a year, until I found italki. And they then somehow found me the right tutor who could understand my needs, how far I was in the Hungarian language, and perfect me. Even though I'm not perfect, I'm far from perfect. Kérek szépen egy limonádé. Köszönöm szépen. Köszi szépen. Finom. Kicsit savanyú. Also for me it was important to find some hobby where I could learn Hungarian. And for me it was food and drinks. So I think within 3 months I almost knew all words that was food related. Like rántott hús, tojás, reggeli, all these words. And you learn them because you need it. So if you're into gaming, you can learn a lot of words in gaming or sports. It's up to you, but for me it was food. And you can see it on me, it's 5 years in Hungary, it's turning out to be a challenge. Hungarian is a difficult language, but I'm here to help you. And also italki is here to help you. If you would like to see more videos covering Hungarian, the grammar, words, the history of the language in a way where we make it interactive like now, please leave a like, check the italki link in the description, comment what would you like to focus on with the Hungarian language, and subscribe to the channel. That's always a good idea. Of course, I'm not perfect in Hungarian, and I'm learning by doing, and no one is without mistakes. You have to be bold enough to say you're making tons of mistakes every day, to speak the language, to try to write. People will say, damn, you're good. It's one of the world's most difficult languages.